Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change MacBook profile picture on your lock screen and basically your user profile picture. So first of all, you want to go to System Settings, and from here you want to go ahead, scroll down until you see Users and Groups right there. Now you will see your admin right there, and you want to go ahead and click on Info, this button. And after that, you will see your profile picture right there. So you want to go ahead and click Edit. Now, here you will see your current profile picture. You can choose from emojis, monogram, camera photos, and so on and so forth. So for today, let's choose Memoji. And let's choose, for example, this unicorn. And now here you have it. Now, once you have chosen the Memoji, you want to go ahead and click on Pose. And now from here, you can actually choose a pose which you like, and for example, leave it. And that's what you will see. As you can see, you can also go ahead and choose a style. So choose a color, for example, a background color, and then click on Save. And your profile picture is changed. And here you have it now. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.